Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Okay, today we will learn about how to use Vlookup in Excel for the exact match. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. It will be a very short tutorial, my friends. So as you can see, there is some data which are named after name, work units, and salary of some people. So, if we want to find out that what Rima earns in a month or per work units, so we can find that she earns 50,000 taka or dollars per month. But it's a very short data. That's why we can easily say that Rima earns 50,000. But imagine if the data is huge, then how we will be able to find out what how much Rima earns. So what we have to do is um, we have to go for VLOOKUP option, and here I will show you how to use VLOOKUP for here. So let's say I want some I want Rima's data or someone else data. So what I would do is let's say I will write here name, well, and then in this column I will just in this box I will just find out her salary. So let's find out with VLOOKUP. So what we will now give the VLOOKUP um, formula for that. So let's do it. So VLOOKUP formula is equals to VLOOKUP and put a first bracket. It says to give lookup value. As you can see, lookup value is name. Let's press it, select it, and then put comma, and it wants me to select the table array that I want to select for my um, work. So I will select this whole table, and then again I would put comma, and it says to give me the column index number. As you can see, there are some columns. So which columns data I want. Let's say I want this salary columns data, so I will just put the number 3 because it stands in number 1, number 2, and number 3 column, as you can see, and then put comma again, and here says, they say true for approximate match and false for exact match. So we will give a 0, sorry, a 0. It actually stands for exact match, and then close it with a bracket. So let's press enter, and here you can see, as it's the name column, that's why there appeared salary. If you just change it with someone's name, let's say Rima's name, and press enter, here you can see her salary is appeared here. Let's say I want to find out the I would find out the Antik's data. Then you can see that Antik earns 56,000, and here it is appeared here. So this is how you can use VLOOKUP for exact match. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hope this video helps you. If it does, then please like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, guys.